Hey, hello, how are you? Welcome to my English class. Today I am going to discuss an amazing topic, and that is what are the actual procedures of enhancing our stock hours, right? Actually, most of the cases I notice it is one of the biggest problem of many people during communication with people, okay? Most of the cases we are stuck during talking to people due to lack of stock hours, right? So that's why today I have decided to discuss this topic. So please watch the video till the end very attentively and very carefully if you are really enthusiastic of improving this skill, okay? So please watch the video till the end. In this video, I am going to mention 3 points which I have been following in my life to enhance my stock hours. Number 1, reading. Number 2, writing. And number 3, speaking. Okay, these 3 points are highly effective way of enhancing your stock hours. If you follow these 3 procedures in your life, you are being assured by me the amount of your stock hours will increase very soon. Okay, so now let's get started. Now let's come to the first point, reading. Okay, every day read book at least 1 hour. At least 1 hour is enough to improve your stock hours. Okay, it is not about that today's weather is not okay, so I don't feel like reading. It's raining heavily outside of my house, so I don't feel like reading. No, it's not like this. You have to be strict about yourself. You have to take the responsibility of your own life. Okay, if you really serious, if you are really serious of enhancing your skill, you should not mercy on you. You have to be very strict about yourself. Okay, let me share the personal story in my life. I have been reading book almost for 2.5 years and I have got an amazing result. I have learned a lots of new words. Okay, so please, if you really want to enhance your stock hours, please make it as a habit. Number 2 is writing. It is also very powerful procedure of enhancing our stock hours, but unfortunately most of the students ignore it. They think it is not important to practice writing when it is about to enhance our vocabularies. But no, it's not like this. If you really want to enhance your stock hours, you should practice writing each and every single day. Why? Because when you write something, sometimes we need to help of dictionaries to find out different type of synonyms to make our writing far more attractive and striking. And in such a way, we can enhance our stock hours. And daily practice writing will not only help you to improve your stock hours, but also it will help you in future to write book if you are desirous of being writer. Clear? So please do practice writing. And the last one is speaking. Daily practicing speaking is not only helpful to enhance our fluency, but also it is very helpful to enhance our stock hours, right? How? For example, I am talking to someone who is enough knowledgeable in English language, okay? Suppose he or she has said something and I am unable to understand the meaning of his or her words. Okay, so if the opposite person is enough knowledgeable of English language, he or she will try to make me understand with the use of different type of words or sentences, and in such a way, slowly and gradually, I will learn different type of words from that person, right? So that's why it is very important to speak to people, and I am sure everybody knows daily speaking in English will not only help our fluency, but also it will help our smartness, it will help our pronunciation. Okay, a lots of things we can improve if we practice speaking in English language. Okay? Okay, I hope you all have enjoyed the lesson today. If you have really enjoyed, please share your feedback. I would definitely love to follow you back. Okay? Keep studying, keep learning, and keep growing in your life. I have to stop here and I will be back very soon. Bye bye.